Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a fixed or sticky nav bar for your Figma prototype. So as we see here in my Figma canvas, I have a home page in progress, and I want this nav bar component to be fixed or sticky as the user scrolls. Now in this situation, because the nav bar component is the first element on our page and the parent is the home page, so the page in its entire length, we can choose either fixed or sticky for this nav bar. So I'm going to select the nav bar and I'm going to go to prototype, and I can affect the scroll behavior. So I'm going to go to the scroll behavior window, and where it says position, I can choose either fixed or sticky, and it'll have the same effect. So right now we'll leave it as sticky. I can select the home page, and if I go in preview, it will load. I can start to scroll, and our nav bar stays fixed at the top. And now for good measures, let's change the nav bar to fixed. We can demonstrate that as well. Go to my home page, I can preview, I can scroll, and it's the same thing. The nav bar stays fixed at the top. Now, you're probably wondering, in what situations would the sticky or fixed scroll behavior differ? Well, in this example I've set up right here, I have a component simulating a blog post. So I have a blog article on the left-hand side and then an image on the right. And I set this image to be sticky, and I added auto layout and gave it 32 padding at the top, just so it doesn't rub up against the top of the screen. And so what's going to happen is that this frame 2, our image, so I can rename this as image, this image is going to stick while the header is in view. So you can see if I zoom out, I have a long page. So once it gets past this header element and scrolls into this section, the image is going to stop being sticky and it's going to scroll up with the rest of the content. But while this section that's currently highlighted in blue is scrolling in view, the image is going to stick. So you can see set to sticky. So I'll click on my sticky example and I can preview. So I can start to scroll, and once we get to the top, the image is going to stick, and this is our 32 pixel padding. I can go ahead and hide the UI. This is our 32 pixel padding. I can scroll down, and once I get past that section, the image is going to scroll up. So there you go. That's how you can add a sticky or fixed nav bar to your Figma prototypes. Hope this helps in your projects. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.